Got me some old friends here at the ASPCA. It's Cherry. And over here is Milo. I think. I could be wrong. Really green in here. I got a cat on my shoulders. I don't know who this is, but I'm quite content to just lay up here. Ain't that right? Yeah. And we got Cherry, who just wants loving. And a couple others around here. An orange one. I should know your name. I've seen you on the site. Okay. Hey, Milo. You're not Milo, but you're pretty as well. Hey, Milo. Yeah, I know you. Lots of kitties. Ooh, that's so nice, huh? Well, this guy's following me. Right off Arctic and what would be a 73rd if it existed. I had kind of a hard time finding this place myself. It's so small. Hey, Milo. I think you're Milo. I'm not sure. You look like you would be Milo, but I know that's Cherry up there. Yeah, the one talking to me. Whoops. Hi, Cherry. She's coming to see me. Hi. And this guy's just purring away up here. Hi. Hey, guy. You can hear this one's purring. And purring in my ear. That's sweet. And there's another black guy up there too. Ah, getting up. Hang on, kitty. Woo! Don't fall back off. Hi. What's up? You want down? Let's see if I can get you over here. Come on. There you go. Ah. Ah. There you go. Now I can see you fully. I haven't seen you the whole time. You just jumped up on me. Yeah, you're a very pretty one. Yeah. Yeah. Kitty bear. Kitty's there. Kitty. I think you're Milo. I will have to double check. But I know for sure this one's Cherry because I named her myself. Ain't that right? Couldn't forget a red kitty like you. And you're just looking at me like, hey, pet me. Yeah. Yeah, nice purr. Nice purr. Yeah, you're all doing well in here, and I've heard that Patty and Coco are still in quarantine, but Coco's doing a lot better, and Patty's still in quarantine, but she's getting better too, slowly. I don't know if maybe she just got really sick or something, but she's been here a little while. Hi, Cherry. Yeah, my sweetheart. Okay, so there's been a bit of a change. Apparently Milo isn't even in here. We got names up here. Orange guy's always there. Bella. And the one that was sitting on my shoulders earlier. Apparently that covers all of them. So I'm not sure where Milo is. Or if he is. But we got this girl still, so I remember her.
I'm waiting for a call back from the landlord. And I don't know why, but I checked it and then finally I didn't even call that. I scribbled it out. I'm like, what am I thinking? Merlot. So.
What are you thinking?
But yeah.
Did you get to see Patty?
Mm-hmm. Got to see if she's up there. I didn't get to actually see her yet.
Oh, Chloe.
Yeah, and Grayson. I remember Grayson from over at the town too, so.
Oh, does he?
Oh, I spent some good time with him.
Really? He's quite a character.
Oh yeah, he's fun.
Who else was he? Yeah, Chloe. Do you remember Chloe?
Not really.
She was a rescue. She came in with. Who did she come in with?
Cherry?
Yeah, that's who it is. She came in with Cherry. Do you know Cherry?
Mm-hmm.
Patty.
Yeah. It's Patty. Yeah, I did a video over at the thrift shop a couple days ago and posted it up.
Oh, that was you over there. I heard about a volunteer going over and doing a video.
Yep, and a couple pictures too.
Nice.
Got one of Mittens. I noticed she doesn't have a picture on the site, so.
No.
So I took a good one of her and thinking maybe she could get a posting. Listen to that purr. And then there's this one over here. You want the camera, huh? Yep, Patty's doing well. I just love that little meow of hers.
I know.
Like she's purring the whole time. Meow. You used to talk to me. What's up?
Patty.
You're a good girl. And then there's Coco over here in the office. Kind of covered up because she was real bad when they took her in. You can kind of see her. And she's okay. She's a little thin, but she'll do okay here. Got a little humidifier and a little heat. Make her happy.